Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, July 10th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have iOS 11.4.1 that has been released. If you have an Apple device, iPhone or iPad, well, you've got this to apply. It fixes many little bugs that people were complaining about, as well as some security updates. One of them is trying to fix the fact that people can actually kind of bypass your lock screen by using a USB device plugged into the USB port of the iPhone. So this is kind of interesting. We got another news item about it a little later. Nintendo Switch, Nintendo, although they are saying that, well, a lot of rumors saying that, Nintendo Switch is not selling as much as it should. Well, Nintendo says it's keeping track that it will actually sell 20 million Switch consoles this year, and that it should actually reach its goal. After, many reports of the slower Switch sales, a lot of gaming companies wanted to kind of say, hey, we got games coming for the Switch. There's going to be a lot of stuff this year. Well, if you're using the latest version of Ubuntu, it has a bug that enables anyone with physical access to the computer and running the latest operating system of Linux, Ubuntu Linux distro, to bypass the lock screen. What it does is they actually just have the computer go into suspending mode, or sleep mode if you want, and basically they take the hard drive and can actually extract all the information because it's kind of easy to extract. Now, you got to take this into context that they need a physical access and they need to actually access the hard drive. So unless you have super critical data and lots of people around, I don't think it's much of a concern for most people. Well, Microsoft finally announced today the new Surface Go device with a 10-inch screen and a price that starts at $399. They want to actually make this a school item. They are pushing this as the education market, and it is the lowest price Surface device yet. It does have some compromise because the lower price mean less power, but we'll see if it has anything interesting to offer. TimeHop is a service that actually some businesses and some people can use to actually see users' past social media content. And, well, it's been breached and 21 million accounts have been scooped up, including user name, email, social media tokens, and 4.7 million phone numbers. That doesn't look good at all. So, you want to work in IT, you want to make it big, you want to be one of those IT professionals we talk about. It has been shown by a study that, the grades you have are not that important. Of course, better grades mean you understand better, but there is very little correlation between grades and how good you'll be and how big you'll be in IT. Actually, your leadership skills are what people want, or what companies want. So the more you have leadership skills, the more you'll be probably good at going far in IT. Well, a interesting company wants to actually have self-driving cars share its data with, for example, Google Maps, Apple Maps, and all of these services. Why? Well, as we get more and more self-driving cars on the road, one of the things that you'll notice is that if they share their data with these services, you'll actually know much more in real time where there's traffic jams and where's the best road to go to a certain place, the fastest road, and so on, because all that data will be live in real time using these self-driving cars. And I think that's a great idea. So as Apple has released a new update, 11.4.1, to try to prevent the bypass of the lock screen with the USB port, well, a hacker group has shown that, well, the new update doesn't really fix anything because they still can bypass it and they still can access any iPhones using that method. So they'll actually have to go back to the drawing board. The US Congress is asking Google to explain why the email service, Gmail, gets scanned by developers and third-party apps. It's creating a privacy concern that basically should not exist. So this is I think, a valid thing. Why do you if you stop yourself, why do you actually have these third-party companies and developers actually access Gmail? So one of the things that businesses still fear is Wi-Fi. A lot of businesses don't actually use Wi-Fi much because, well, it is for many a source of concern. Well, one of the latest security researches say that there is a reason why businesses fear Wi-Fi, and it's the employees that are the problem here. Mistakes when they actually set it up, and also the fact that they are easy to share with people that maybe shouldn't have access. So the wireless systems are often insecure. Will WPA3 change something about this? Something it might, but kind of interesting. Well, YouTube has updated the Android app on your phone, so if you do have a Android phone, check out the new YouTube app. It actually expands incognito mode. That is the mode where you can actually view videos and pretty much not show anyone what you were doing. So all you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the YouTube app on your Android device, and you might have that incognito mode available for you. And finally, to stop fake news, YouTube will invest $25 million in buying news articles and news links that actually will show you that a certain news item that you are trying to share is actually fake. So this is in order to try to, make fake news something of the past. Will it succeed? That's another story, but it's interesting to see that they're actually trying at least to do something about it. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, July 10th, 2018. So don't forget that today, by the way, is Patch Tuesday. So Windows users will have updates in about an hour and a half time from when I'm posting this. I will be posting, of course, a short video talking about the latest updates for Patch Tuesday. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.